So tell me if this is you. You found the house that you love, but it needs some TLC or some renovations. Know that you've got options to include those renovation costs into the loan when you purchase that property. There are several different options out there, whether it's a FHA 203K loan or the conventional option called a HomeStyle Renovation Loan. There are ways to add those renovation costs into the purchase of your property. So if you're working with the lender already, make sure to ask them about these products, or if not, feel free to shoot us a DM. We'll be happy to show you the details.